Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This video is going to be a quick one. I want to show you how to deploy React app to AWS Amplify for free. And now let's get into it. Okay, before getting into AWS Amplify, so first you will need to create an account. So to create an AWS account, you just need to click on this button right here. And once you are here, you can just fill out your email address, password, and also AWS account name. And then you will need to also provide your address as well. And the next step would be to add a payment method, your credit card detail, and verify your phone number. And finally, just select an AWS support plan. So you can start with the free plan. And then we just need to wait for the account activation. And once everything is set up, then you can now come to create a new React app. So to create a new React app, let me scroll down, and this is the command that we will need to use. So let me just copy this and come to the Visual Studio Code. Let me open up the integrated terminal. So right here. Let me first navigate to my DRID. So it will be in my DRID, and then let me just paste that command. So instead of calling the React app project name this one, I just want to change it to, let's just say AWS React hosting. Let's just say it's like that, and press on the enter key. The project is created, so now let me try to open the folder in the Visual Studio Code here. Now let's open this again and try to run this. So to run the React app, we can type the npm start. It is now up and running, so it is running on localhost 3000 right here. And the next step is to create a new GitHub repo. So I will need to give this a name. Let's just call this as AWS React hosting, the same as the folder name. Let's just give it like that and click on the create repository. Alright, so now it is created. So these are some of the commands that we can use to run. So let now try to go back to Visual Studio Code, and now let's try to open up a new terminal window. So pressing on this add icon, and here you can see the React app is still up and running, and this is a new window. So now what we're going to do is to initialize the Git. Basically, we just want to push all of the necessary code locally onto the GitHub repo. Okay, so to do that, you just need to run git init, and right here there are some other commands that you can also follow. So we can just add the commit. So will be git commit -m, and then add this as, let's just say, edit React app, just like that on the main branch. And next will be navigating to the branch called main, and then we can just run the git remote at origin, and then provide the URL. So this endpoint right here, just copy that and paste it here. So it say that already exists, but then that's fine. Next will be git push dash u origin, and the branch name it's called main. Press on enter key. It will push all of the some of the file, the necessary one, to the GitHub repo. Okay, so that's done now. And going back here, let me just quickly refresh this. And yep guys, so here you can see that all of the important files are uploaded here, excluding the node modules, as you can see, right? So here we have all of the file. And the next step will be to going back here we now need to log into the console on AWS. Now I have already logged into my console, so let me just close this and keep this. Yep. And now you can just search for AWS Amplify, right? So this is the service that we will need to use. Click on that, and you will see this screen. Let me scroll down and see right here. So we have the developed, and this is the deliver. So basically we want to host our React app, and here you can see it supports React, Vue, and JavaScript as well. So right here we just need to click on the get started. Okay, now come to this page. Here you can see we can select different type of the repo. So we are now using GitHub. Let's just select this one here and click continue. Here it just to basically authorize to have the access to GitHub. Click on that and enter the password. Okay, so authorization was successful. Next step will be, so this one right here, and the branch is main. Click on next, and here you can see we have this setting as well. So we don't need to worry about this. And the next step will be to click on the next button. And the build setting is to basically it's automatically detected, and then this will be used. So yep, everything looks good. Click on save and deploy. And there are 4 steps as seen. We have the provisioning, building, deploying, and also verifying. So now let's just wait until all of these steps completed. Then we can press on this to see our React app via this URL. Okay, so all of the steps are done. Now let me try to click on this URL. And yep guys, so we now have this up and running. I just need to basically share my URL, and then everyone can just see this application. Okay, so what am I going to do next is to make some change to this text here, and then see if it automatically try to deploy or make the change based on the changes that I made. Okay, so open up this source folder and look for the app.js. So this is the text. Let's just try to change this to how to deploy React app to AWS, just like that. Save that and take a look on our local host. Okay, so it's changed. Now we want to push this code to our GitHub repo, and then see if it automatically pick up from here. Now we need to push this. It will be git add. So next command will be git commit -m. Let's just say updated text and one file change. And next will be to git push origin main. So this is the branch. So without the slash. Okay, so now the change is pushed to the GitHub repo. Take a look here. Yep, it is push, and take a look. Right here you can see that it automatically pick up. It now in the provisioning step, and next will be build, deploy, and verify. And then we just need to refresh this, see if there's a change there. Alright, all done. Let's just take a look here. Let's refresh this. Yep guys, so here you can see we have this updated text. And quickly take a look at the pricings as well. So here you can see with the free tier, we have 1000 build minutes per month. So basically more than 16 hours per month with the build time. And for hosting, we have 5 gig per month, and also 15 gig served per month. So these are the free plan. And yep, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section down below. Otherwise, see you guys in the next video.